Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today IBPS clerk prelims scorecard is released and in this video I'm gonna share my scorecard. So as you can see on the screen that my exam was on 19th of December in second shift and these are my scores. In English I got 28.75, in quants I got 27.75 and in reasoning I got 32.50. So the total marks are 89 and the cutoff is 75.75. So now what I feel is that in my shift there is no normalization and there is huge normalization in in 19th December first shift. But in my shift, like second shift was a little moderate as compared to first. So there is no normalization here, but I know that in reasoning I had attempted all the 35 questions and I got 32.50. It means that two questions were wrong in reasoning. Then there one question was wrong in quants and one was in English. So that is my scores. And if you are a beginner and just starting your preparation, then I suggest you to start your preparation with textbook mock test, because textbook mock tests are really good for the beginners, and when you reach a certain level then you can start using other high level mock test. But if you use the high level mock test in the beginning of your preparation, then you will get demotivated. Okay, so you have to increase your scores gradually and textbook is best for that. And right now there is a sale going on textbook till 20th of January, and they are providing extra 6 months validity also. Okay, so the link will be given in the description and by using my code you will get extra discount also. Plus for study material you can use Guidely is starting their course from February and they are starting the PDF course, as you all know about Guidely. So they are starting this PDF course for all the examinations which will happen in 2022. So you do not have to worry about your practice material. You can just go and download the PDFs, and right now for that offer there is 70% off, as you can see in the image. And for Guidely PDF course also the link will be given in description. Okay, and you will get discount also. So that is all for this video, and I hope whoever who has cleared the prelims examination, all the best for your mains, and thank you and have a nice day.